This is the Refrigerator Smp, and we have to go to the start. I was in the nether, chasing something called an upgrade template. They allow you to upgrade your armor to netherite, and after a pretty long time of looking, I was roaming around, building up, and I finally found something called a bastion. Okay, so guys, my footage cut out, and I didn't really have any extra footage for this, so I got an upgrade template, but here's just a part in the base.
Give me something.
I've got like 4 bits.
Wait, I'll give you this stack of redstone.
Yeah, I'll take that.
Okay, yeah, I'll take that.
So after a while, I decided to head to my team and meet up with them and get some loot. I got the upgrade templates to them, and now we had netherite. So now I just decided to focus on making a new base underground. So I got full netherite, but my footage got cut again because this doo-doo recording won't record for some reason. But yeah, that's about it. Nothing really crazy happened, but I did go to the end. After a while, I decided to go get some totems because I had an ominous bottle in my inventory. So yeah. Oh, 2 totems should be enough, right? I headed back to the base, and my teammates really did help out for this part because they finished making it and I had all the villagers I needed to get max gear. So I just got full prot 3 because they didn't have a prot 4 villager. After a while, I decided to make a little small gold farm to get me some gold before I can make golden apples so I can't quick drop in a fight. I decided to go back after a bit and make me some pots. Fire resistance, strength 2, and speed. They would all be necessary for a fight later on. So yeah, that's about it. That's all I did on the Refrigerator Smp for the very start. I was gonna have more PvP on this, but my footage got cut again, and really that's it. Nobody really gets on, so any of the members watching, get on, bro.